Do you like to get paid $50 per day for simple tasks to get free PayPal cash easy? Yeah, this is the make PayPal money fast method that you can just avail right now. I'm going to show you 8 different sites that you can use to make that possible. So without wasting any more time, jumping into actions. The first site that I want to show is called Appen.com. Yes, this is Appen.com. This is a really micro job sites. Yes, we are going to work in micro job sites, so this is one of them, and this is the greatest one. You just simply join there and look for micro tasks, complete them, and they are simple to do and simple to get paid, and then you can get paid by PayPal or anything like that. And this is a really number one site in the micro jobs field, and Appen is always there for you, and they already always pays to their customers and to their employers. So simply you can, without any problem, you can start doing jobs here without on day first. So the second site that I'm sure is called clickworker.com. Yes, this is clickworker.com. You simply go there and join as a click worker, and you can see that they also have Google Apps Store and Google Play app and Apple app. So simply you can work on your smartphone as well if you want, but definitely you can use you can work on your PC as well. So this is a really good site to do simple tasks like proofreading, research, surveys, any mystery visit, app testing, photo capturing, video recording, audio recording. They are all simple tasks that you can start working just by joining Clickworker, and you can be very tension-free life. You can live and you can start earning some pocket money, decent amount. It's not going to make you rich, but it will make you some decent amount of pocket money. So the third website that I would show is called microworkers.com. This is also a top micro job sites that is available, and that is a very old sites that paying their jobs holders, and this is really endless opportunity you can find in these websites. You simply go there, join as a employee, and you can start making money, and by simply completing simple tasks and micro job sites, and they don't delay to pay you that money to you, whatever method you want to get paid from them. So this is the third website. The fourth website, as you know, this is Amazon's Mechanical Turk. Yes, this is mturk.com. This is also a really popular, as you know, Amazon this is the number one marketplace in the world, marketplace e-commerce sites in the world. So they provide also some micro job sites that they want, and there you can see some data entries, form filling, survey, searching jobs like that, and you can participate on those micro jobs and get enhanced amount of money every month. Fifth website that I have to show is called Rapidworkers.com. Rapidworkers.com is also a really popular site that you can work. You can see that they have like something like YouTube video views, any Twitter following, any social media. These are mainly social media working jobs, and you do those jobs and you get like 10 cent, 12 cent, and you can also get $1, $2 jobs out there, and at the end of the day they will going to pay you a hands-up amount of money. So the sixth website that I have to show is called Nevo.ai. Yes, this is also Nevo.ai. Also, it's a micro job site that you can start working. You can get paid to shape the future, as they say. You have to contribute to their task. You simple process, just sign up and do task and get paid by your PayPal. So this is the simple and a very lucrative site, and people are getting into this website is very fast, and you can see that they have lots of users right now that working on Nevo.ai. So the seventh website that is I'm going to show you is called HiveMicro.com. HiveMicro.com is also is micro job site that provide simple task, but they will going to pay real money for that. So simply without any wasting any more time, you just simply jump back into actions by opening your smartphone. They have App Store apps and Google Play app. You, no matter what you install it, any one of them, you're gonna start working in there. Hive work is like a magic, and you simply do some simple tasks. They have interesting tasks like drawing box, some categories, and some image category work, or some transcribing audio text to work, and many more interesting and different type of micro jobs that will be available in Hive Micro site. So this is HiveMicro.com once again. And last but not least, I'm going to show you the site called remotasks.com. Remotasks.com is also a micro job site that you can earn USD doing online tasks from home. So this is the way you can see the people's review it, and they already accepting 90 plus countries, and already $15 million totally people's earn from remotasks.com. So why not try that? Simply you join it, you learn some tasks, complete and those tasks, and get paid weekly to your PayPal or any method you like. And you can see that they are real people that are working in remote task as a real job holder. So why not try all these websites? So simply when you do not target one single website cannot make you a lot of money. So if you target all those 8 jobs websites like Appen.com, clickworker.com, microworkers.com, Amazon Mechanical Turk, Rapidworkers, Nevo.ai, and HiveMicro.com, and remotasks.com. All these 8 websites can make you, if you make just like $6 on each website daily, it's going to be $50 per day. So this is why I told you, and getting $5 to $6 every day is very easy on this website. So simply you work some hours daily and make $50 to $100 per day, simple, by completing simple tasks, and get paid your money to your PayPal account. So this is it, guys. If you're liking this matter, please hit the like button. If you're not subscribed yet, please go down below, press the subscribe button with the notification bell, so you always stay with my videos, stay with my channels. New video going to be uploaded daily. So see you in the next video. Till then, stay well, and thanks for watching.